Namaskar. I am Kalluri Srinivasa from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I am retired as Chief General Manager HR from last Ispathingam Limited, and I have insured my car with the TATA AIG motor vehicle car insurance policy. And I would like to share my recent experience I had with the TATA AIG. Recently, while driving to market, my car accidentally hit the roadside barriers while maneuvering a turn, and it damaged the right side rear door. I am more worried whom to approach, how many hassles I have to face for the repairs of the car. Thankfully, I had a TATA AIG motor private car insurance policy. The made the process entire hassle-free and very smooth. I was really amazed by that process. I could easily file the claim, saving time and effort. Everything was transparent from the beginning, and it gave me a lot of peace of mind. They quickly arranged a cashless repair at a network garage, which completely taken off my financial burden. The TATA AIG team was incredibly helpful and very cooperative, and they helped in settling the claim in a matter of days, very quickly. Further, I would also like to add that the policy is very user-friendly. It provides many features like last key assistance, roadside assistance, etc., which are very useful and essential for a hassle-free travel. I highly recommend TATA AIG Motor Insurance to everyone. They are a reliable and trustworthy company who takes care of their customers. Having them my side made a huge difference.